Guys, so I've been trying to do my facials at home, and so I decided that today I'm gonna do it, and I'm just gonna put it out there what I use and how I do my facials at home. Stay tuned. I usually begin by cleaning off my eye makeup, so I use the simple eye makeup remover, and then I clean my face with micellar water, also from Simple. This is just my step one cleanse, literally. And then after that, I move to using a micellar based cleanser just to clean my skin again. This is also a Simple product, and I do the 1 minute clean thing where you're supposed to like rub your skin for a minute while washing your face. I unfortunately did not film when I rinsed my skin. I use the Cerave hydrating wash, and I use this really nice skin cleanser just to make sure the product enters my skin properly. So I done cleaning. We did a 3-step cleanse. Now we're gonna exfoliate. And for exfoliating, I'm gonna be using this Arami glow scrub. I got the small one because I wanted to try it out and be sure that I liked it. It smells really good. Okay, the consistency is alright. So when I'm exfoliating, I try to be very gentle because my skin easily breaks, and exfoliating materials contain some things that could hurt your skin, so I try my best to be as gentle as possible. And after I finished exfoliating, I had to wait for about 5 minutes for it to just sit properly. Again, I finished washing my face and I forgot to film it, but after I finished with that, I decided to steam my face, and I got this mini cute fish steamer from Miniso. It's pretty easy to use. All you just have to do is just apply water in a compartment in the steamer and just keep putting in the direction that you want to put it, and it was really lovely. After steaming my face, it was ready for it to get some mask food. So I used the Arami mask as well, the Arami clay mask, and I actually really like it. It's pretty easy to use. Just apply water, and I think it's a tablespoon of powder, and just use like a good brush and apply it all like around your face. And it was simple. It reminds me of the Aztec clay mask, but this feels more hydrating a bit compared to that one. I think because of the properties and the stuff that it's being used to make it. So it's a win for Arami, to be very honest. And after I finished applying my mask, I make sure that I applied it all the way down to like my chin and all that areas, almost to my neck, my ears, sides, and all that. After that, I had to wait for 15 minutes. So I had to do other stuff, drink wine, and just check out what was happening on my social media platforms. Pardon me, guys, I keep forgetting that I have to film washing my face, but I didn't film that. So I decided I was gonna use like a proper mask, the hydrating mask, and I used this Garnier one that I got when I traveled to Dubai. It is the best hydrating mask I have used in forever. It is amazing. Like, I have super dry skin, so you can imagine how important it is for me to like constantly hydrate, and it gives you good 1 week hydration in 15 minutes. Okay, I'm exaggerating, but it gives you really really good hydration. And I'm very happy that I got it, and I got a lot of it actually. But it's a very very lovely product, and after I applied it, I had to wait again. For another 15 minutes and just chill and go about my day-to-day activities. 15 minutes is up and it's time to take off my mask, and you can clearly see how hydrated my skin looks. I squeeze out the remaining serum from the face mask and just apply it on my face and my neck, just to ensure that I get like all the things that the product has to offer. After I finished with the face mask, I went on to do my day-to-day skincare and just added my toner, my moisturizer, vitamin C, and my sunscreen, but I did not film that because I didn't think that was necessary at this point. But this is my facials at home and my proper, self-care. Thank you very much for watching.